Here I want to demonstrate drawing tree diagrams for theoretical probability experiments. A classic theoretical probability experiment is the flipping of a two-sided coin. Because of the symmetry of the coin, both heads and tails have an equal chance, in theory, of landing face up. So, because they have an equal chance of landing face up, they're equally likely outcomes. And so it's valid to draw a tree diagram for them. First, to draw it, we want to start here on the left and then draw a branch to what could happen in the experiment. It could land on heads or tails. And so by identifying those different outcomes, we've actually created what is called a sample space. That's simply a listing of all the things that could happen in the experiment. Now you can list the sample space right next to the ends of the branches, or you could put them in a mathematical set in braces. Coin has two possible outcomes. Now let's try it for a six-sided die. I'm going to start here on the left, and I need to draw branches to what could happen when I roll this die. We want to think about how many branches we need. So for a coin, we only needed two. But for a six-sided die, there's actually going to be six different outcomes. And to complete the tree, we just want to write what those outcomes are. It's the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that is actually the sample space. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we could also put them into a set. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.